Alright guys, so we're going to do an Instant Pot recipe today, so stay tuned for this. So I got some, these are on sale. This is just some, as you can see, they're like $1 each. So, but what I have here is we're going to make a corn, chickpeas, these are stewed tomatoes, mushrooms, and some beans. So we're going to put that all in the Instant Pot, and then we're going to cook it up. That's going to bring up a lot of the flavor, make this super tender, and create a sort of like a stew out of it. Okay, so I'm going to add herbs and spices and some garlic salt, and celery salt, and then even add a little bit of rice to thicken it up. So it should create a nice stew. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Oh, and I'm going to add some cauliflower as well. So stay tuned for this. Alright guys, check it out. So I got the cauliflower, got the corn, got the tomatoes in there, the mushrooms are in there, and it's super seasoned as you can see. Added enough fluid in there, stewed tomatoes. So I'm going to cook it up. I'm going to hit probably going to hit the rice button, or the poultry button. Yeah, probably the poultry button, because there's pork in there. And then that's going to cook up, and then I'll do a quick taste test. Stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so that's how it turned out. Check it out. It's not so much of a stew, but it is close enough to a soup. Okay, so let's do a quick taste test. The broth is nice and clear, as you can see. And there we go. I will put in some, maybe I'll put in some rice a little bit later to cook it up. So here we go. Wow, it's actually a really good soup though. Yeah, definitely check it out guys. It has it's got a lot of flavor. The tomato gives it a nice flavor. Yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, the herbs really come through. The cauliflower makes it taste really good. If you have any questions, comments, post below. Subscribe to the channel.